Welcome to regular and AP Environmental Science. I'm Coach Confer and this is our classroom. I've been at Northwest for over 20 years. I've taught AP class for 7 years. It's going my 7th year, and I've taught the regular class over 10 years. Since we're going virtual, I decided I would do our class and do this introductory video in our classroom out here in the environment, just to give you some information about what we're going to be studying throughout the year. We're going to start out with habitats and habitat destruction. As you can see, there's a habitat in the water, and there's a habitat in all of the terrestrial ecosystem in the trees, and there's a ton of different habitats that have different living things that inhabit them. So we'll spend most of the fall in talking about basic biology, habitat, ecology, and a little bit of population. Now, if you're not familiar with population, there's the human population, as well as the population under the water, and the population within all of the terrestrial biomes, and then the forest ecosystem. The forest ecosystem has a huge population, and when we destroy forests, we're not only destroying the capacity to photosynthesize and take in carbon and produce oxygen, but we're also destroying habitats. And as you can see here, there is a lot of algae, which is called eutrophication. That's a huge issue to this pond, and we'll talk about eutrophication. And then we'll go into soil and talk about soil and the importance of soil to agriculture, and we'll talk about soil chemistry. Then we'll go into the atmosphere and pollution, whether it's water pollution, whether it's air pollution, and there could be some soil pollution with a couple other topics mixed into there. So, like I said, this is our class. I wanted to show you the environment that we'll be talking about. Hopefully it gets you excited, and you'll be able to do some things near your house and start noticing things we talk about, hopefully in Justin and out in Newark and along, whether it's Roanoke or anywhere in our district, you've seen a pond like this, or you see a river fast flowing versus stagnant river that you can actually go, oh yeah, we talked about that, or actually get out and go observe what we're talking about in class. Hopefully you've learned some things that we're going to talk about throughout the year. It's going to be fun.